Hey guys, welcome once again. Today we have a Vestax PMC-46 vintage mixer from Japan. This is a solid mixer. This mixer has been here before. What we did was cleaned out all the switches and lube, all the faders and potentiometers, and checked everything, including we cleaned the RCA contacts in the back. However, the client brought it back to us about after a month and a half later saying that one of his connections was intermittent. So the channel 4, this one right here, is the one we're going to change. And what we're going to do is replace the RCA jack bank. This is the RCA bank we're going to install. These are female inputs, and there are 3 channels, left and right. And now we're going to speed through the disassembly of the back of the mixer. Now let's check and see if the RCAs are the same. They match up. All right, and now I'm going to check and see if the pin pitch of the new component matches the existing. And sure enough, it does. Perfect match. Okay, so all we have to do now is desolder the old component. And we're going to speed through this. And now I am checking both of the components, the new and the old, to make sure they fit, and it is a perfect fit. So let's go and install the new component on the board and solder the new component in place. And now just a very quick overview of the board, just to make sure everything looks good. And the assembly of the card back into the mixer. All right, so we're done. All we got to do now is just check up all the inputs, make sure they work left and right, and we are good to go. Hope you guys enjoyed the video of the Vestax PMC-46 repair. If you guys have a mixer similar to this or a mixer that needs a service or restored, feel free to contact me, George@360mix.com. Please share and comment below if you have any questions. Have a great day.